Hello everyone, welcome again to LNS Infotech Solutions. Today we are going to study a website designing and development. What are the basics we require? Generally in the last sessions we have told you that we required a web local host, XAMPP server installable on your local system for testing if the whatever you have designing is works properly. If they work properly, then we are going to launch it on online solutions. So now let us start. What are the domain and hosting? What are the local host? What are that? You might be still confusing, so don't confusing. I am here to solve all your questions. So don't take it tensions, just to keep it relaxed. So what are the basics concept? Let us start. What is domain and hostings? Domain means you will be a publicly registered. Your company means supposed to be Google is a company. They are making their domain with the google.com, google.in. So how they work? The HTTPS here is the HTTPS that is indicating that this google.com is secured by SSL certificate. Then next is the World Wide Web, that all the websites are indicating with the www, and the next is the .com. .com is the domain name for that particular Google company. Now in short, main concept is what? HTTPS means secure site. If you are taking HTTP means not secure sites, this also work, but secure sites means it's for your privacy of transferring your data, and all that we require the secure sites. Then the next is the Google, and the next is the domain name. Now hosting we required for generally a 2-4 GB space for minimum small company websites, and 2 GB RAM is sufficient for that, and one database should be MySQL, or if you are working on SQLites, then you don't need a MySQL website also taken. Now the next supposed to be we are going to starting from basics. So in that, this is the general structures. If you are seeing these files, this is the general structure we are doing. This is HTML, that is hypertext markup language. In that we are using head tag. These are the tag, means these are the open tag, these are the close tag. Then these are the HTML tag, open tag, close tag. This less than, greater than symbol makes one particular word, that way we say a tag. That is HTML tag, head tag. Similarly a script tag. Here we are calling an external script. Script means it may be a Java script, it may be a jQuery file, or it may be a Ajax calling, or whatever. So we are also defining it internally, or we can also define it externally. Now let us suppose to be this is a file, that is external file, and suppose we are calling and internally alert hi. Now let us suppose to be making Now the next is a script tag. That script tag is indicating, supposed to be I have taken a basic concept, just simply showing a message from my script coding. Now let us suppose to be I am going to show this demo show.html. Here I am saving on the desktop. Now suppose simply I open, this is indicating that the alert hi message. Alert means your message from the JavaScript. Okay, this is how high is coming is not from alert, it's from the our head tag. Head h1 is your main head tag. Similarly, h1, h2, h3 up to h5, h6. These are the head tags are present in HTML. These are the heading tag as present. Similarly, open your body open, body close. Body means the main part. Here we are coding all the things of HTML. It may be script can be mixed up into body. Sometimes it required to use that scripts into the body or after the ending of HTML tags. In some cases, script will require to call after an HTML, because after completions of these HTML code executions, the script should work. If you are calling in first, then this will not going to output it. This will next exercise session. This is just keep it forget. So don't just keep it relaxed. I hope up to these points we are just simply understand. We are starting from, we are just taking short revision again. Remember, domain and hosting. Domain means indicating your company with particular register name on online solutions. Within this including HTTPS, www, company name, .com is your domain name. It may be .in, .gov, .online, .tech. Hosting mean your online space. It may be at 2 GB RAM or minimum, or it may be more. Maximum sometimes providing 30 GB. They are providing different hosting servers. It may be virtual private server or whatever. Then the next, what are the syntaxes of HTML, that basics language using in this a programming language that we teach. What we are calling the tags, what are calling head, how the call script, how call link, how call external links, how the call internal links. Suppose internal links is supposed to be, here we are going to calling body and making the background is red, and just simply refreshing it into, here is that, this completely making the red. So these are the concept of styling. Styling means in short designing, making more attractive, more look up your code to show, to present. The next is a script, calling particular something, button click or form submission, like that. Then the body, all the code here, and your end of HTML. In this way, we are teaching the basic concept of HTML. Now in the next sessions, we are again going into the deep and some tricks and some shortcuts. In case if you have any questions, you can comment into the comment box, or you can mail me, follow me by any way. We surely updating you. We are here to solve your any problems. If you are from any problem, don't hesitate to ask us. Just keep it relaxed. I am here with LNS Infotech Solutions. So thank you. Have a good day.